Hello, another Aliexpress trinket here. Let's have a look. We have a 72 tooth ratchet two-way screwdriver, bendable labour saving screwdriver bit, one word cross household. I don't know what that means. Let's have a look. So, got a chunky screwdriver handle. It has a hole in the top for some bits that screws back on. Nice and solid, rubberized, feels okay. And we have a lock here, so you press this in and you can adjust the angle from 90 degrees 180, so you can get more power behind you twisting. That's a regular screwdriver, and then it goes all the other way. Has a locking collar here, so it's just a regular screwdriver there, or you can turn it left or right, and now you've got a ratcheting screwdriver. You can have it ratcheting that way as well. And there we have it, a lockable swivel head ratcheting screwdriver. Pop a bit in there, or you can even use it for a socket. Cool, I like that. £4.50 Aliexpress. I think that's a good deal.